goes.
Okay, so today I was at Elekon Beach, Lagos, Nigeria, and I look at the beach. I love the beach, but I have a challenge with this beach because it's not that clean. And if you look around, can you see what I'm talking about? The beach is not clean, and we have so many bar houses, like beach bar houses, plenty in this place. And from one beach you reach to another, can still look around. Yeah. So subscribe and stay tuned, and then you see what I have on this lovely video. I love the people that are so friendly, and they welcome visitors a lot. Elekon people, at least I love that. So I saw this guy when he was speaking like seashell, so I wanted to go and talk to him. And it was funny that when I approached him, the way the guy looked at me, it was as if something else is controlling him. You know, he looked up, looked down, and I said, okay, let me just find my way and go. I was going close to him, calling him, how far, how you doing? So I greeted him, how far, how you doing? And the guy was just looking at me. And the way he turned and look at me, I was like, hey, this one, now one chance. So I went there. At this point, I called him and I said, how far? Now let me show you. I would zoom it and you see. So from there, me, I not be troublemaker now. I just find my way. And I started going my way because the way the guy looked at me, I almost ran back to where I was coming from, but I said, let me just push ahead because I needed to see those fishermen. There are fishermen down there, so I needed to go there and see what they are doing. And on this beach, when you come, a lot of people are praying. I don't know whether they are praying to this goddess sea or sea of goddess. I don't know what they are praying to, but you see a lot of people, they will be here praying. And let's listen. This beach. So this is one of my, it's been long I visit the beach, so I'm still going to move around, look for some things to eat and to drink. So let me cut this video now. If you can see, look at those other guys there. They are busy swimming. But me, I will not try it. I don't know how to swim in this kind of place. So sometimes you have to protect your life, run for your life, so that you not fall inside this big ocean. Just imagine if I get into this now, where will I be? Maybe I'll go to America, Canada, or anywhere. For me, I'm not going to swim. Oh, I came, I sat here, I was still looking at the beach because it's one of the beach bar houses that are close to the beach. So I sat here, I was just looking around the beautiful nature of God's creation. It's beautiful, and when you hear the sound of water, you feel so good. That's another beach house, and it's locked up, nobody's there. So there are so many of these places like this here. Easter celebration, you'll see a lot of people will come here, will pay money, sit here to just, yeah, I think when they make their money, it's almost around that weekend, weekends, and then Fridays, Saturdays, and celebration. So you see some seats when they put outside, you come, you need to pay money because you need to pay money before you sit on those seats. If you don't have money to pay, you have to sit on the floor of the beach and then look around the beauty of God's creation. So to me, I love coming to the beach because I love what is called beach. So you move from one tent to another tent. So, but basically, I just call it Elekon Beach because this is Elekon area of Lagos State, Ibeju, Lekki Ekpe Expressway. So, as you can see, I think this one too is locked. It's under construction. Let me show you guys. Another beautiful place. Seashells. So a lot of people come to this place to do some incantation. Can I say prayers? Yeah. But me, I was busy picking my seashell. So if you look at them, they were carrying some things on their head, and the other guy was doing incantation. I don't know whether he was praying, but my challenge was he was holding his phone and facing the sea. And I don't know. Look at what they were carrying. They would tell them to go front, come back, go front, and come back. So I don't know whether they were asking something from the goddess river or the river of the goddess or whatever they were looking for. I don't know. So when you come here, you see a lot of people praying and doing so many different things here. You know, some people, they will be fetching water from the sea. You know, there are different beliefs. Look at how this place is scattered, and this is how it has been. And I don't know whether the water is trying to chase them away from the shore. So I don't know. But look, this place, look at it, it's still dirty, and they're still building it. I think they're preparing for Christmas or something. So I think they should better build tents instead of building houses like this. Or better still, they can plant coconut. Look at how this place is scattered. If you look around, you can see how it's so scattered, and you can see everything with your eyes. And there's this other part of the beach where I saw, and it was clean. Yeah. After this place, you see the sand was clean, and some people, they were lying down there in that tent. Look at this place. It's very clean. I think they have put this part of the beach so clean and neat. I love it. I just hope that maybe some days the whole beach will be like this, so clean like this. And maybe it will happen. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. It's clean. Look at the water. I love seeing this water here. When I look at it, and you see they built something here some time ago, and look at what the water did to this thing. I think they should learn more or plant some trees. Yeah, I think that would be better instead of building houses. Look at how this place is clean. I think the beach should just be like this. What do you think, guys? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And I have to film this place like twice because I love the view and the cleanness of the water, and after this place now you see how dirty the place is again. Look at this. I was just moving around, just having a nice time. Sorry guys, I don't have enough music to put on this video. The water is trying to chase us away. Why? Why would the water want to chase us away? Why? Why would you want to chase us away? Where do you want us to go? It's coming. This one must reach here. Yeah. So I'm moving here. I want to see everything. I want to enjoy everything. That's why I'm here. And everywhere is looking beautiful. Look at that, man. Let me show you. It's very good. That's it. I'm selling for this thing 4,000. I go buy them.
I'll find good one. Not only the fish, the chips and salad.
Only the fish, how much?
The chips and salad.
Only the fish, how much?
4,000.
So these are the fisherman canoe, and this is the boat. They just came back from the sea, and the man, you can see he was just trying to arrange his boat, and people were coming to buy some fishes here, but the fish are not much. You see small fish, and look at them. Yeah, I wanted to film, but I couldn't find more. So, and I was just trying to look around, and then this is what I saw. And after that, I moved and I was looking at those wonderful kids. Look at them sitting there playing, and I sat here, was just watching those little boys who were swimming. And it was funny. I was scared, like, oh, how can those little boys be swimming in this ocean? But they have been here for a very long time, so I have to call one of them to talk to them and ask him some few questions, and he answered. So basically it was fun. Yeah, it was. It is. These are fishes. We just came back from yeah, so I'm still here at this beach, and what I was seeing so far, I'm so happy. It's quite exciting. Good. And there's life here. Look at those children that they are playing, having a nice time. Hello? I did find no, I did for beach. I can't do video for beach. Oh, a video show better. Let's see what happens. Wait.
Oh, sure.
Sorry. Sorry. Those children are playing. They're enjoying themselves. Coming to the beach is beautiful. I get mine though. Yeah, no Vito. Imagine what they're doing. So where you learn how to swim?
Huh?
Where you learn how to swim?
Me? I can swim now.
Can you swim and go far?
Yeah. How much you go swim?
No. Make you not go kill yourself.
I don't go to myself.
Where you go swim which?
Huh? I go swim this that place. How much you go swim?
How much you go collect? How you go collect?
Swim 500.
Buy you 500 make you swim.
Yes.
Now wow.
Yeah, how much you want?
No swim, no go far, no go far.
Yeah, how much you want?
I'll give you 200. swim and go far. Just look at them. 500. It's crazy, man. But I think they are born here, so they can swim anytime. But for me, I'm not born here, so I will not try. I don't want to risk my life. Come back. Come back. Come back, bro. Please. Come back. So because of 500, the guy swing. Look at him coming out. Yeah, we're not trying to. I love my life. I love my life. They no deep.
Yeah?
They no deep.
No.
Eh? So why you don't fear?
I don't feel fear now.
They boy you here. When you start to swim?
Yes.
When you don't swim?
From this water, I did not swim, man. For inside where they say smoke, I'm a swimmer.
So how many years you don't be now?
Me? No, be 8 years now. I don't swim.
So it's very this small, you don't swim yet?
Yes.
So when you grow up, you will become one of the fishermen?
Yes, now.
You want to do fishing?
Yeah?
You want to do fishing?
Yes, now.
But those fishermen, when did they come back from inside water?
Huh?
When did they come back inside water?
They will come back now. If you say one boat, don't go now. You don't go fish, go come back again.
That one is you coming back?
Yes, now. Now, this thing they use. Engine. Go start time. When you start time, go move.
But that one they come back now. See that one? I've been a fishing they do.
We do on it.
Yeah.
They do on it inside the boat.
But you don't ever follow them go inside?
Yes, man.
Yeah. How you be inside?
Nah. No, you don't do bad now.
Person
will do bad now. The boat go do like this for that water. So you don't do bad. If you go come, they go carry you go come.
So if you do bad now, the thing go do, you go die?
Yes, man.
Yeah. Allow that, man. I'm fine, thank you. What did they find? Eh? From Lagos now. Eh? No, I deal with my friends here. If you say a person where they chat day now, who they say they might get beer? So, wait, so now they fear this water?
No, you don't have it over.
Eh? How me I want to take learner?
Huh?
Me too I want learner.
I go teach you now.
I know be today.
No, be today. If you say that, who's will come?
When I come next time, maybe next week. You go teach me.
I go teach you like this. You go stay with my. You go be doing like this.
No, I will go inside though.
Yes,
No be some.
oh yeah.
So I'm here with those little boys. They are swimming. They want me to keep them on. So, hey, I'm on a come. So they're my friends. I'm calling them to come. So I will show them love. how many are there?
4.
No, that one I don't give her now. So I here on the day always.
Yes. Now this year
Now they go.
they go now.
You still know this?
School no day.
Yes. Don't do a sound.
Okay, that way. Who be Oga?
Huh?
Who be Oga?
Me. I was
Who be Oga?
Now this video, okay.
But see, Oga, see, make I tell you something. The time when you from Gate Mall, you know Sabi, Oga, you know Sabi film. Now me the teacher.
Who teacher?
But now you know Sabi
Now who
film.
teacher?
But now me the teacher. Oga, tell us say make go that place.
No, may no go, may no go.
No be me. He dey lie, no be me.
So among Nana, who service swim pass?
Me.
Okay, now this one, let's go.
No, Mona, no go. Mona, come back, go.
Hey, come on.
Mona, come back. Go. Yeah. Please go to street first. I beg, let them come back. See, call them to come back. Call them and they come back. How much? Eh? No be 500. I just want and only me there now. Carry big one, oh. The one way good. See this one.
No, that one never strong.
Eh. Give me the one way strong. Which one you give me?
That one. I will give you this one.
Now let me go carry out this one.
No, I'll come. I'll bring up class.
Okay. Alright. But I don't try.
Thank you, sir.
And I for all of you now.
Okay.
No, he might follow you. Go inside now. So wait, come. See, you go first. We after I don't share. That way remain. Now we give her. You understand?
Nothing go remain now. Good.
So,
This one 200.
No, if you carry 150, how much?
You go manager.
But I'm not. Some people they hide though.
You go no hide.
Who they hide?
Now this one.
Are you in no service with they hide? Okay, thank you. So I had a nice time with those guys. Waiting for these guys to come so that I come across this coconut. Yeah. So they are going to the
Sorry, black light.
Say this one, how much? 3.
Mama, them must pass. Bros go buy for me, Shana.
Money no dey.
This one money no dey. Because the money no dey tell. No dey black color. Black color.
This one small. Look at it.
This one.
But it's small now.
It's not their fault. Maybe if they were the price are just
This is how much?
you're not gonna be a doctor. Maybe a left for you.
No. So I'm here. Right. I need to go home now and rest.
This one, now that 5, 6, they come right and here, they come right and there again. I don't understand. See, 5, 6 here, oh, that one no day. Now this one, I mean, this one, not very well. Because I know say now 5, 6, 1, 8 for my.
What's now?